Next continuation question, students. Boy get up in the morning and eats oats, from which his body gets 1000 calories of energy and efficiency of his body is 28% given. Now his weight is 60 kg. Then up to what height he can climb a tree? Very important, students. Important question. So here work done in the form of potential energy, students. Potential energy climbing mgh equal to, so how much energy of body is given? 100 calories, students. 100 calories efficiency is 28% only given. That means 28 percentage. 28 by 100, 28 percentage out of 1000 calories. 1000 calories convert into joules, students. Why? Because SI unit. Calorie is CGS unit. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules given, 4.2. So mass of the boy also given, acceleration due to gravity, you know SI value T is, H is asking, students. Just a formula based question only. So work done in the form of potential energy mgh equal to 1000 calories. In that 1000 calories efficiency 28% given. That's why I converted here 28 by 100 into 1000 into 4.2. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joules. Just value substitution only. So 28 into, so here two zeros cancel, into 10 into 4.2 by m is 60 kg, acceleration due to gravity 10. So further simplification, h equal to, you will get 1.96 meters, students. Easy simplification only you will get. Next question. Two particles of masses 4m and 9m are placed at L distance. So distance of point from mass 9m, where net gravitational field due to both these masses 0. Null point concept, students. Null point. Now here 4m mass, here it is 9m mass. These two are separated distance L given. So at what distance from 9m particle? Let us consider this is x, students. Remaining distance, you know, L minus x. Here at what distance gravitational field intensity becomes 0 here. So condition for null point distance from 9m particle, if you want, for this shortcut formula, students, x equal to total distance L by under root of, if you want null point distance from 9m particle is opposite mass, students, 4m by 9m plus 1. Okay. So now here L by m is cancelled. 4 by 9 is nothing but 2 by 3 plus 1. So that means L by 2 plus 3, 5 by 3. So 3L by 5. So at what distance from 9m mass particle gravitational field becomes 0, means 3L by 5. Okay, students, very important. Same question, at what distance from 4m particle is total distance L by under root of 9m by 4m plus 1, students. Okay, please remember the shortcut formula. For example, you don't know shortcut formula, how to calculate normal. So gravitational field due to 9m particle gm by r square x square equal to gravitational potential due to 4m particle. So g into 4m by L minus x whole square. So here net gravitational field 0 is nothing but because of this particle gravitational field intensity right side, because of this particle left side, both equate, students. So E1 equal to E2. So then net gravitational field at this point is 0. So final expression only given here, shortcut formula 3L by 5. I think you know very well, students. Next question. Unit of quantity of small g by capital G. Yes, students. Small g equal to capital Gm by r square. Small g by capital G equal to, from here, m by r square. So m units is kg by meter square. Distance is nothing but meter square, given first option only. It is easy only. SI units. G by small g by capital G units. Next, three masses m, 2m, 3m are placed at three vertices of equilateral triangle of side A, gravitational potential energy of the system. So it is also important model, students. Now here gravitational potential energy of three particle system, M, 2M, 3M, vertices of equilateral triangle of side A. Yes. Potential energy of three particle system. Potential energy minus G m1 m2 2m square by A minus G 2m into 3m 6m square by A minus G 3m into m 3m square by A. Easy, students. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, so minus 11 gm square by A, given second option. Okay, students. Next, kinetic energy of a satellite in its orbit around the earth is E. Kinetic energy is given E, students. Kinetic energy is E. What is total energy is nothing but total energy is minus E, minus of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is E, total energy is minus E. How much additional kinetic energy given to satellite? So as escape from gravitational pull of earth. Very important. Equal amount of kinetic energy E means equal amount of energy if you give, it escapes from earth gravitational influence of planet. Why? Because total energy, if it escapes from gravitational influence, total energy must be equal to 0. Correct only, no? Escapes from gravitational influence. So that means total energy is minus E. How much energy should be given to this particle? How much kinetic energy? Must be E, students. Extra E. Additional energy is E. So fourth option is correct. Important, students. Many times question it is also. Next. So which of the following graph correct between time period of revolution and radius of the orbit? You know very well, students, Kepler's third law. One more question. T square is directly proportional to R cube. Directly proportional means straight line, students. So here it is T square, here it is R cube given. T square is directly proportional to R cube means straight line passing through origin. First option only correct. Okay. So T, if it is given, means T is directly proportional to T. If it is here in this question, is first option only correct. For example, TR relation, if it is given, means T is directly proportional to R to the power of 3 by 2. It is more than 1 is nothing but upward parabola. For example, TR graph is given, means how it look like is nothing but more than 1 is nothing but upward parabola. So TR relation. But here T square R cube given, students. So this is also T square. So TR, it is straight line given. This is wrong. I think everyone clear. Next, escape velocity of an object from surface of planet is v. Okay, particle starts from rest at a large distance. Large distance means infinity distance from the planet. So reaches the planet only under the gravitational force of attraction. Yes. And passes through smooth tunnel through its center. So this is the planet, students. So when it is coming long distance, infinity distance, so when it is passing through the tunnel, it is given like this. Question here, it is passed through smooth tunnel through its center. Its speed at the center, at this point here, what is the speed? Just conservation of energy, students. So here gravitational potential energy equal to kinetic energy, students. So what is gravitational potential energy at the center is nothing but minus 3 by 2 times of Gm by R, students. This is potential energy plus kinetic energy, half mv square equal to 0. That means half mv square equal to 3 by 2 times of Gm by R. So now here only m is cancelled, this 2 also cancel. V square equal to 3gm by R. V equal to under root of 3gm by R, students. So now this equation multiplied and divided 2. So 2gm by R is nothing but escape velocity. Extra here root of 3 by 2. Root of 3 by 2 is nothing but root 1.5. So final here VE equal to root 1.5 into escape velocity. So V students, V here, V equal to root 1.5 times. So 2 gm by r is nothing but here. So 2 gm by r is nothing but escape velocity. So 3 by 2 extra is nothing but root 1.5. I think everyone clear? Simple calculation only. So now answer root 1.5 times VE. Next question students. 3 identical point masses, each of mass 1 kg, lie xy plane. First particle at origin 1 kg particle, here it is origin 0 comma 0. Okay, second particle 0 comma 2, like this students, 0 comma 2 here, 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0. Here 1 minute students. Along x-axis 2 comma 0, here it is 2 comma 0, one more particle 1 kg, 0 comma 2, here it is 0 comma 2, this is also 1 kg particle. Question: what is gravitational force on mass's origin? Gravitational force of attraction. So origin, because of this one particle, attraction right side. So here gravitational force of attraction upwards. Net gravitational force resultant passing through diagonal. So this force asking, this force along x direction is nothing but, along x direction I cap, along y direction j cap, distance is 2 meters only. Yes students, what is the gravitational force? F equal to G, m1 m2 is nothing but masses is 1 kg only, distance is 2 square students, 2 square means 4. Along x direction is nothing but, here it is I cap, along y direction is nothing but g by 4 into j cap. What is net is nothing but F equal to g by 4 common here, I plus j. So it is given third option students. Read careful students, minus also given, don't confuse. XY plane only, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2. Okay students, I think everyone it's clear. Next question, at what height from the surface of earth value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/9 of value on the surface? I think same model, above video I explained. So now 1/9 of acceleration due to gravity, that means g by 9 equal to g into r by r plus h whole square. So after simplification h equal to 2r, you will get h equal to 2r. Next, a lunar month of planet consists 84 days. If the distance between centers of planet and its moon becomes tripled distance students, then number of days, actually t square is directly proportional to r cube. T and omega relation, t equal to t and omega relation, t is inversely proportional to omega, t equal to 2 pi by omega students. That means omega square is inversely proportional to 1 by r cube. So now here T1 by T2 angular frequency, now here new time period asking, right? So first T1 is nothing but a lunar month planet consists 84 days if the distance between centers of planet of moon becomes 3 times. So that means here T1 by T2 equal to T1 by T2 equal to T1 by T2 equal to R1 by R2 whole to the power of 3 by 2 students. T1 is given 84 days. T2 asking question equal to R1 by R2 is nothing but, now here 3 times more is given. 3 times more is nothing but inversely proportional. Inversely proportional 3R by 3 whole to the power of 3R by R students, whole power of 3 by 2. So now this R is cancelled. 3 power of 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 root 3. So after simplification, 3 power of 3 by 3, after simplification you will get, so final radius is 3r is given, r by 3r whole to the power of 3 by 2. So after simplification, cross multiplication, T2 equal to, you will get 436 days students, nearly 436. Simplification related problem. nearly 436 days. I think it is easy. Please verify this question, students. Next, a body is projected at an angle 60 degrees from the surface of earth with velocity root of 2gr. That means what velocity it is? Escape velocity only. So escape velocity, minimum escape velocity is nothing but, so it reaches earth gravitational influence, it escapes from earth gravitational influence. What is the kinetic energy of the object? Yes, students, at this point potential energy, kinetic energy, zero only. It escapes from gravitational influence of planet. So what is the kinetic energy? Is nothing but it is zero. Please read careful, students. So here angle 60 degrees given. First, escape velocity does not depends on angle. That is first point. If it is projected with escape velocity only, it escapes from gravitational influence of planet. So at that instant, what is kinetic energy? Is nothing but zero, students. In planetary motion, angular momentum conservation leads to law of, yes, students, aerial velocity of radius vector dA by dt equal to L by 2m. It is constant. Angular momentum constant is nothing but aerial velocity is constant, area is constant, students. So planet sweeps equal areas in equal intervals of time. So Kepler's second law. See how many questions asking Kepler's laws related, very important. Next, g is acceleration due to gravity on earth's surface. Gain in potential energy. So gain in potential energy, work done W equal to, I told, mgh by 1 plus h by r. So that means m is raised to surface of the earth, radius h equal to radius of the surface of earth only, mgr by 1 plus r by r, students. H equal to r in this question. So that means mgr by 2, given first option. Easy, students. See this formula related questions, 2 questions asked. Next, escape velocity of body projected vertically upwards from the surface of earth 11 km per second. If the body is projected at an angle 45 degrees, again it does not depends on angle of projection. Escape velocity 11 km per second only. Next question and last question, students. Planet of mass is m revolves around the sun of mass is capital M in circular orbit of radius is r with angular speed is omega. Another planet of mass is 2m revolves around the sun, circular orbit of radius is 4r, second planet. So what is angular velocity? So yes, t square is directly proportional to r cube. Now t angular velocity relation, omega is inversely proportional to time period. That means omega square is inversely proportional to 1 by r cube. So omega by omega dash equal to r2 by r1 whole power of 3 by 2. So omega by omega dash equal to r2 is nothing but, given in the question, 4r by r1 is r given in the question, whole power of 3 by 2. So this r is cancelled. 4 we can write 2 square power 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 2 cube 8. So omega by omega dash equal to, you will get final answer here, 2 square whole power of 3 by 2, 2 cancel, 2 cube 8, students. So answer 8. Omega is inversely proportional to r cube. Omega square is inversely proportional to r cube. Time period t square is directly proportional to r cube. Omega square is inversely proportional to r cube. Now here third option is correct, friends. Okay. So if you really like my video, please share, students. Please share and subscribe, students. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you.